myself Veluri Vedamurthy Naidu. This is the video regarding feedback of internship. Once again, myself Veluri Vedamurthy Naidu. I am pursuing MBA Cybersecurity in National Forensic Sciences University at Gandhi, Nagar. One of my friend done his internship in FireShark Technologies and he is in good position right now, and he suggested me to do internship in FireShark Technologies, and I recently joined FireShark Technologies internship. In this internship they cover all major topics with giving 18 sessions, and they give research assignments of four assignment which are useful to get job in cybersecurity, and they are providing useful sessions. I earlier told about the sessions, 18 sessions. They are responding very soon for my queries, and I will recommend to my friends to do internship in FireShark Technologies. That will help to enhance their skills in future, and I sincerely thankful to FireShark Technologies to give the great opportunity to do internship in FireShark Technologies. Thank you so much.